Hey, I'm buying a vehicle. You didn't understand? I'm buying a red car. Mm-hmm. I'm buying a red sedan. Mm-hmm. Okay, how about this? I'm buying a Hyundai Verna, which is ruby red in color, with 5 passenger capacity and 1.3-liter petrol engine. Much better, right? Writing is just like buying a car. Let's see how. Welcome back to the 6th episode of Mini Writing Workshop. I'm Pratiksha Manglekar, and this is a 15 episode series where we'll improve our writing skills. Today, we'll delve into the art of crafting vivid descriptions that bring your scenes to life. Stay with me till the end of the video for a fun activity. So, why do descriptions matter? Vivid descriptions are essential in writing because they immerse the readers in your world, enhancing the atmosphere and mood, and create a memorable setting. Let's explore how to master this skill. Crafting vivid description involves four key elements: sensory details, figurative language, specificity, and showing rather than telling. These elements help create a rich and immersive scene. First, let's look at sensory details. We have seen this briefly in Show Don't Tell episode. Let's look at this in detail now. Appeal to the senses to make your scenes come to life. Describe what your characters are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching to immerse your readers in their experience. For example, think of Zomato and Swiggy notifications. They don't tell you come and have a burger. They are going to tell you how amazing the burger tastes. It's a huge burger, it's juicy, it's full of toppings, loaded with cheese, etc. 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 Right? Listening to that or reading that, you automatically want to order a burger right away. So think on the lines of sensory details. Next is figurative language. Use similes, metaphors, personification to create vivid comparisons, to evoke emotions and paint pictures in your readers' minds. For example, the first one, Pratiksha is as busy as the bee. What is it telling you? That Pratiksha is super busy. But I'm not going to just write super busy. I'm going to use figurative language, decorative language to make it more beautiful and attractive. Second is example for a metaphor. Raju is a tiger. Metaphor works on analogy. Third one, the car was so tired it was dead by the end of the journey. It's an example for personification, right? So think on the lines of figurative language. Third is specificity. Specificity is the key to crafting vivid descriptions. Use precise language and paint a clear picture in your reader's mind. We need to avoid vague descriptions. For example, this is a very good example given on the screen. I will tell you, bring that thing. What is thing? You will not understand, right? What if I tell you, go bring that trumpet? Yes, that is more specific now. Show, don't tell. We have dealt with this in one full episode, right? Using actions and specific details to reveal emotions. We can also reveal traits and essences of the scene. Engage the reader through observation and immersive storytelling. For example, the moment she saw him, a surge of electricity coursed through her veins. Automatically, you know that there is some sort of love connection between her and whoever that guy is. Correct? Automatically, you know, it's a, somewhere going to talk about romance. Correct? So think about that. Show, don't tell. Now it's your turn. Write a descriptive paragraph focusing on incorporating the ideas we learned today. What did we learn today? Sensory details, figurative language, specificity, and showing rather than telling. Write it in the comments. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Mini Writing Workshop. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your descriptive paragraphs. Do hit a like on the video if you like my content. It's very encouraging to see that more and more learners are joining me every day. Stay tuned on the next episode, Avoiding Grammar Mistakes. I post videos every Thursday and Saturday. Join me on WhatsApp and Telegram for free quizzes. Happy writing, keep shining. I'm organizing a public speaking workshop. Would you be interested to join? Let me know in the comments.